Salih Mohallah quit ZCC Church and joined Bushari's ECG Church. Salih Mohallah joined ECG by Prophet Shepherd Bushari after quitting ZCC of Bishop Lekanyana. Pictures. Salih Mohallah ditches ZCC badge for Bushari. Gospel King and Zion Christian Church member Salih Mohallah has turned to Enlightened Christian Center leader Prophet Shepherd Bushari for divine intervention. Mohallah is also set to leave ZCC to become a full-time Bushari disciple. The singer will dance to Bushari's church in Pretoria tomorrow, where it is expected he will be welcomed by the revered Holy Joe, his church council and congregants. Mohallah, made famous by his ZCC-aligned Mokyaka gospel music, confirmed that he crawled to Bushari for blessings. In him I saw how big God is. He is an amazing angel of God. He will help me spiritually and give me support to deal with my challenges.
Yeah.